Structure initialization. Structure student. See this game. How to create local and global values. How to initialize. Is it valid or not? Guys, tell me. Character sname of 20 equals to some name. Float average equals 56.7. Yeah, guys, tell me, is it valid? Not valid. Very good. Yeah, because we cannot initialize structure members inside structure. Right, we can't initialize structure members inside structure. Yes, then how to write? See this. Structure student S number, int S number, character S name of 20, float average. Okay. Now, can I create a global values? Yes, we can write, right? S1 equals to then 101 first student number, student name, okay, ABC, and student average 56.7. Okay, S2. Can I write S2? Yes. 102 from XYZ, float value 78.1. These are global variables, guys. Can I create a local variables? Yes. Then initialization now to do. Structure student S3 equals to 103 PQR some name 68.3. Your wish, guys, right? Write this. Yes. Next one is nameless structures. Yeah, what are the nameless structures? In structure declaration, mentioning the label name is optional. Okay, if label name is not available, compiler creates nameless structures. Okay, see this. Structure declaration, mentioning the label name is optional. If label name is not available, then compiler creates nameless structure. Yeah, what is nameless structure? See, we can create like this. There is no name, label name is not there, then it's called nameless structure. Yeah, Madhavan, I think that is your fault. One check for mics and guys, others can hear me, right? Yeah, okay. Madhavan, once you check your audio devices. Yeah, next one. This is a nameless structure, guys. Now, how to create a global variables? Yeah, next point. We can't create local variables for nameless structure. Only we can create global variables. Okay. Now how to create a local variables? See this structure. This is a nameless structure, guys. Can I write S1? Yes. This is valid. Int A or int X, that is your wish. Now while writing local variable, see this. Now structure S2 you can't write. It's a error. Label name not there, right? Then it gives error. Okay, now? Yeah, I will show in the program. Yeah, see this nameless structure. How to write? Now I have written int A. This is S1 global variable. I will try to print. What is size, guys? 2 bytes only. Yeah, how to print that value? See once. Now I want to printf that value I'm going to print %ld s1 dot a. What is s1 dot a, guys? 0, because global variable. Can I change the value? S1 dot a equals to 10. Then value is 10, right? Yeah. Can I create a local variable? For example, see this structure s1 or s2. For at s1, see this. No, it is showing warnings only. One warning. Undefined structure s1. Run this, then you are getting. Because of it's a global variable. I'll remove this. Now s1 error. See this undefined symbol s1. It is not considering as statement, guys. Okay, it considered as dummy statement. See this. For example, we compile, no errors. But when you try to use it, see once s1 declared, now no errors has given. But if we try to use, it is showing there is no s1. What is the meaning, right? You understood. Declare చేసినప్పుడు error రావట్లేదు, but use చేసినప్పుడు error వస్తుంది. Means it is not considered as a declaration. Are you following, guys? This is error, this is valid. If I write like this, now it is on. Now it is not considering. Actually local variable ఉంటే ఇదే తీసుకోవాలి కదా. Now see once, now it considers this value. It is considering as that. Clear? This is error, guys. We can't write like this. Yeah, write this. Completed. Next, Typedef. Right. Typedef, guys. Typedef is used to create alias names for the existing data type. Yeah, syntax is what? Typedef, data type, user defined name. Semicolon will be there. Okay. Or you want to create alias names. What is mean by alias name? I will show you. Alias names means another names. Completed. Huh? I will tell you about Typedef. Yeah, see once. What is Typedef use? Yeah, first I will show you about Typedef. Can I write my int x equals to 10 and also your float y equals to 20. Int float valid. but I want to write my int your float. Percentile, sorry, float, right? This is 5.6. Now percentile d and percentile f. Print a x comma y comma y value, right? Now if I run 6 errors. What are 6 errors? My int undefined symbol, semicolon missing, your float semicolon missing, next undefined symbol x and undefined symbol y. Clear? These are the errors. Okay, now can I create alias names for my int is what? Now I want to write typedef int is what? My int. 3 errors gone. Same like float also, guys. How to write typedef float your float. Now see, no errors, no warnings. Run this 10 and 5.6. Yeah, right. This exact use of typedef I will tell you. Completed. Huh? Here to use the typedef, right, guys? For example, one is to write int plus my int, float plus your float. We can create alias names. Okay. See this, guys. For example, sometimes what happen if I write a structure name in real time applications, guys, we write full names only. We won't write any shortcut names. Okay. For example, struct employee information, salary information. Okay. See this. This is a structure, guys. Yeah. For example, first example, where do you use your typedef? For example, we have different functions. Void function 1 and void function 2. We have different functions like, yeah, local variables are required. How to create a local variables? Data type is this, right? Structure student, sorry, employee salary information. Create a E1, first employee details. I want second employee details here. Salary information and E2. See this, for example, 100 functions are there. In 100 times you have to write this. All local variables, struct employee salary information E1. Right? Same. I want to create a shortcut. Every time writing is difficulty. 100 functions are there. And 100 function writing is difficulty, right? You cannot write like this. That's why what I have to write. See, now create a type there. What is the structure name? This is a structure name. Give alias name. This alias name emp. Now onwards, no need to write this everything. Now we create only emp. First example, write this guys. E1. Now this is also same second employee, right? Now instead of this, what we have to write? emp E2. Write this guys. Has completed. Completed. Example 2. See guys, Typedef structures. Next one. Every time writing long names are difficulty. That's why we write shortcuts. Typedef. This is the total data type name. Alias name is emp. Are you following guys? Now for this also, now I want to create alias names. Example 2. Simply we write typedef emp is alias name. While creating also you can write. This is called typedef structures. Yeah, see this. Typedef struct employee salary information. Emp is alias name. Completed. Example 3. For local variables, for see this, nameless structures. Can I write a typedef structure? Yeah. Can I create a local emp is alias name. Now we can create local variables. Void main emp one. It's a local variable. Okay. Using typedef, we can create local variables for nameless structures. Previously discussed, we can't create local variables, but using Typedef, we can create local variable. emp is alias name, emp1 local variable. Example 4, guys. Then how to create a global variables? Yes, guys, we can create global variables also. Yeah, emp comma e1 comma e2 comma, right? Once try, guys, in different compilers. In some compiler it accepts this declaration. Okay, in some compiler it won't accept. Emp is alias name, e1 e2 e3 are global variables. You understood? Second, example 1, example 2 is called Typedef structures. Example 3 and example 4. Emp is alias name here. Here also emp is alias name. Next one, guys. Bit fields. Bit fields are used to avoid memory wastage. Okay, syntax for bit fields. Now see this. Struct student or struct avis. Now we are declaring x, declared y. Right, the size of s1 I want to print. We write see this, size of s1. Yes, what is size of s1? 2 bytes plus 2 bytes. 2 plus 2 equals to 4 bytes. Yes or no? This is 2 bytes, this is 2 bytes, guys. 4 bytes. Yeah. See this. What is bit fields? X is what? 3 bits. Y is 3 bits. 3 and 3. Now size of s1. This is what? Till 8 bits it shows 1 byte. Okay. Now see this. 3 bits, 3 bits. Now here how many bits? Just draw the diagram, guys. 8 bits, 8 bits. This is 16 bits. Just draw the diagram like this. This is 8. This is also 8. 16. 2 bytes it is. Again, it is also 2 bytes. Yeah, this is what here. 3 bits. Not 16 bits. This is also 3 bits. Till 8 bits, it shows 1 byte. Draw the diagram. Bit fields are used to avoid memory wastage. Completed. Huh? See guys, where to use exactly? For example, right, government jobs, government exams. Okay, if you apply for government jobs, for example, see, normal for 3,000 jobs, how many applicants applies? You know, right? For example, 100 jobs or 1,000 jobs. Applicant sizes are too much, right? For example, 20 lakhs applied. Are you following us? For 1,000 jobs, 20 lakhs applicants applied. For example, they want to conduct a test like aptitude, English, and general knowledge, GK, right? For 30, 30, 30. Total marks are 90. Okay, 3 sections. I want to store each student marks, guys. How to store student marks? See this. We take 3 subject aptitude, right? Aptitude marks, English marks. Now what is the other one? GK. If I take for each student, how many bytes it is taking? 6 bits. 6 bytes, sorry. 2, 2, 2. 6 bytes. 6 bytes means 6 into 8. 48 bits required. For each student, 6 bytes. For how many students are there? How many applicants? Right? 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs into 6. 1 crore 20 lakhs bytes required. Yes or no? 1 crore 20 lakhs bytes. Are you following us? 1,20,000 bytes. are required. Okay, for 90 marks, clear it is 90 lakhs bytes, guys. But for on this C, it is taking 6 bytes for each student. Yeah, for one subject marks 30, right? Maximum 30 will get. This also maximum 3 get 30. This marks also 30 max. Yeah, how many bits you are taking for this? 16 bits. For this also 16 bits. For also 16 bits. Maximum to store 30 in data types we discussed. 5 bits is enough. Yes or no? 5 bits enough, guys. 2 power 0, right? 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power, yeah, 2 power 5 till 2 power 5. Okay, na? Yeah. That is signed, right? Signed or unsigned. We can take unsigned, take this 2 power 0, right? 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. Like, okay, maximum 5 bits are 6 bits. 2 power 6, 2 power 5, right? This is 6 bits, 6 bits, 6 bits. 18 bits. Okay. For 18 bits means 5 bits or 6 bits, guys. 5 bits is enough, right? Yeah, 5 bits if you take. For this is also 5 bits. This is also 5 bits. 5 plus 5 plus 5. How many bits? Total 15 bits. Here how many bits? 2 bits. 16, 16, 16. 48 bits. 48 bits means 6 bytes. But here 6 bytes is required. 15 bits means 2 bytes is enough. To store maximum 30, 5 bits is enough. Okay. Are you following, guys? 5 bits is enough, guys. You know, in data types we discussed. Okay, what is 3 bit size? What is 4 bit size? What is 5 bit size? Right, 5 bits minus 32 to plus 31. Or 0 to 31. Or 0 to 60. Clear, guys? Yeah, instead of taking this bit fields you can use. See once how to write. Now I am taking struct ABC. Can I take int x equals to 3 bits? Okay, into y equals to 3 bits. Okay, now can I take s1? Yeah, print the size, guys. How to print the size? Now I am going to print a size. Size equals to percentile d size of s1. Yeah, size of s1 is how much? 336 bits, right? Till 8 bits, 1 byte only it shows. Till 8 bits, okay? For example, this is I will write 5, 5, 3, 8 bits, 1 byte only. For example, if it is exceeded, 4 it is. 5 plus 4, 9 bits. Now 2 bytes, guys. Till 16 bits, it shows 2 bytes. This is 10 plus 5, 15. 2 bytes only. Now I will write 6, 10, 6, 16 bytes, 2 bytes. Okay, for example, 7 bits, if I write 3 bits, 3 bytes, guys, it exceeds 16 bit, right? Yeah, what is the maximum bits, guys? 16 bits, 16 bits. This is a maximum bits, right? 4 bytes. Can I take one more bit? 17. Error it is showing. What is error? Bit field too large. Okay, understood, right? Now I'll take 3 bits, guys. This is also 3 bits. If we take 3 bits, what is the range for this? -4 to +3. Data types I told you in 3 bits what is the size? This value is how much? -4 to +3. Can I take unsigned integer? Yes, you can take unsigned. unsigned integer z equals to 3 bits. For unsigned integer, what is the range? 0 to 7. This is for unsigned integer. This how to call s1.x, s1.y, and s1.z. Default values garbage will be there. Can I give the values for them? Before giving, I will print first this %ld. Yeah, I'm going to print %ld, %ld, %ld. Now I am writing s1.x, s1.y, s1.z. Garbage values, right? This is a garbage value. Size is 2 bytes because 333, 9 bits, right? 2 bytes it shows. Okay, s1.x, give some value guys. s1.x, maximum -4 to +3. Okay, can I give 4? Yes, 4 if I give, it takes -4. If I give 5, which value it takes? -3. This value is -3. You know this point. s1.y equals to -6 I will give. If I give -6, what happens? -5 is +3, -6 is +2. This value is +2. Print a z value. s1.z equals to s1.x plus s1.y. What is a -3 plus 1? +2. This is a -1. -1, can it stores? No guys. Then what it value gives? There is no -1, right? Then it gives 8. Then see this. Sorry. 1117. -1 means last value 7. That value it gives. Okay, no? -3 plus 2, 7. Yeah, write this program. Limitations also is there. That point I will tell you. First write this. Till 8 bits. What is size of S1? Right here. Till 8 bits it shows 1 byte. Till 16 bits it shows 2 bytes. Till 24 bits it shows 3 bytes. Write this guys. Last point I will tell you. I will close the session. Completed. Huh? Yeah, guys, limitations are, can you write characters and integers? Yes, we can write. What is the limitation, guys? This is a limitation. Float x equals to 3 bits. Now compile. One error only because we use it right. Bit fields must be signed or unsigned integer. Write that last point, that's all. Bit fields must be signed or unsigned integers. Must be signed or unsigned integer. Characters also. Characters also integers, right? Completed. Huh? Yeah, guys, that's all today. You understood, right? Bit fields. The next session, unions, enums, simple only. 10 to 50 minutes. If you know structures, that is enough. Next class, we discuss functions. Functions, storage classes, command line argument. Functions, it takes 2 days. Okay. That's all, guys. Thank you.